Namaste, I'm Dr. Vinod from Rishikesh, India. I'm an Ayurveda doctor. I'm practicing Ayurveda from the last 20 years. Here in Rishikesh, our center name is Ayush Kama Ayurveda. Here we offer Ayurveda treatments, Panchkarma treatments, Ayurveda courses. People from all parts of the world and from India coming here for Ayurveda treatments and for courses. So today I'm going to discuss about Ayurveda. What is the meaning of this word? So Ayur means life and Veda is science. It's a life science. It's a life philosophy. It's an ancient system of medicines. It's a very old system. It's a 5,000-year-old history about Ayurveda. So Ayurveda is a Veda. What is the Veda? Veda is our philosophical scripture. The origin of Ayurveda from Veda. That's why base of Ayurveda is philosophy. So it's a life philosophy. It's a life science. And it's a Indian system of medicines also. So what is the meaning of Ayur? Ayur means life. What is the meaning of life? Life is a combination of mind, combination of body and combination of soul. So what is the goal of Ayurveda? Moksha. How to become the part of the God. Enlightenment. Same like yoga. Yoga means union. Union of soul to the supreme soul. But how is it possible? It's possible when we are healthy. How we can become healthy? Healthy with the mind and healthy with the body. The same mind, body and soul. The yoga, like yoga means union, union of soul to the supreme soul. So with the help of yoga, we can balance our mind. With the help of Ayurveda, we can balance our body. So with the combination of Ayurveda and yoga, we can achieve the goal of life. So Ayurveda mainly concerned about our health. How to become healthy, how to come free from the disease. So Ayurveda for healthy person and Ayurveda for sick person also. So what is the main principle of Ayurveda? What is the main concept of Ayurveda? For healthy person, maintain the health in a healthy person. If a person is healthy, how to become healthy always? So with our lifestyle, with our daily routine, with our food, with our seasonal lifestyle, how to start a day, how to finish a day, what the activity we should do, what is the lunch time, or when we are eating, what combination we are eating, that part is very important. The food and lifestyle is very important. If we balance our food and lifestyle, we are healthy. And it's for sick person also. It's for the person who have imbalances. So in Ayurveda, we do treatments. We do treatment with the natural medicines, natural herbs. So for sick person, why the problem is coming, we try to find out the cause. And then we do some detox treatment. We do some balancing treatment. We make a diet chart for the person and then we are giving some herbs and formulation. So it's a complete science. It's not only medicines, it's a lifestyle. How to live healthy always. So it's a philosophy also. So this is for Ayurveda. Everyone should understand what is the meaning of this word, how we can follow Ayurveda in our daily life or aware the people more and more. So this is for Ayurveda. So my best wishes for all of you. Thanks very much.